Manav, this has seen a nice rise come by in the last few days, 3% higher today as well. What's your view?
Yes, see, the prices have already witnessed a good rally from its important support levels, and this momentum has accompanied by above average volumes, which definitely indicates the continuation of the uptrend. The oscillators too are in a strong bullish zone. Even at the current levels, it's hinting for an upside targets of close to 18,500, and there are crucial support around the levels of 16,500. So we maintain a positive bias, and we recommend one should also maintain a balanced approach.
All right, that's the view then on a bullish on the stock price. Let's move on, and taking it a bit easy. What's your view on the technicals here?
Yes, see, the prices overall has been in a downtrend, and recently after a good retracement rally, the prices again have witnessed a break of its important support levels and is currently trading below short-term averages. Looking at the short-term formation, the recent breakdown has to be accompanied by above average volumes, and I sense on the upside 343.45 would witness stiff resistance for the stock and would continue to witness selling pressure as most of the oscillators are still negative. We expect the stock to see further declines in the near term, as still the trend being bearish. We expect lower targets of around 322 to be achieved in the next few weeks.
Okay, Glenmark is 2.8% lower, and Manav is bearish on the stock. In fact, he's watching out for levels of perhaps 320 rupees that the stock could go to. Vivek, let's talk about the gas stocks. MGL has seen. Finally, stock number 10, Manav, DLF. Great rally seen in this one to beyond 220 rupees. What's your view here?
Yes, see, the stock has already seen a very strong rally from its lows of 140, and it has definitely entered into an overbought zone. There could be some near-term consolidation, but one thing is quite obvious is that the prices have seen a very strong breakout from its weekly and monthly resistance level, and which has confirmed some positive crossover in the oscillators. I believe with the short-term consolidation, the important support now for the stock will be placed at 205 to 210, and eventually if the prices comes near the support levels, would be a good opportunity to add at the lower levels with a stop loss of 205 on closing basis. For a near-term to medium-term perspective, we expect this trend to continue on the upside and eventually give us a target of 240, but for the near-term, one should wait for a dip to enter at lower levels.
All right, that's the recommendation then on a DLF in trade. Since we're done with 10 stocks, we'll just take a very... Welcome back. You're watching Market Fatafat on ET. Now let's continue with our countdown of stocks. Manav, RBL Bank, anything that you'd like to recommend viewers here?
Yes, we have seen a short-term trend reversal into the stock as it has reached its falling trend line and is also currently trading above its medium-term averages. It has an important support at 345 to 348 on the lower side, and looking at the near-term base building at the current levels, we expect even at the current levels we could see this momentum going on the upside. On the immediate basis, we see a target of 390, and we recommend one to maintain a balanced approach with a strict stop loss of 340 on the lower side.
At DLF, that's actually a view on RBL, so that's 7% of gains come off from the day's high. All right, moving on, Manav, AB Capital, we've seen a stupendous rally come by in the stock for the last one odd week. Today it's taking a bit of a breather. What's your view on how the stock could move from here on?
So the prices have bounced from its deep oversold levels, and post its recent series of decline, we have witnessed a short-term trend reversal into the stock, as it has seen a breakout and closed above the 100 levels in past couple of trading sessions. On the daily charts, we have seen the prices also trading above its long-term averages. On the immediate basis, 102 and 105 would now act as a cushion, and in case of any short-term dips near the support levels, it would provide as a cushion in case of any declines, and it will act as a very strong support going forward. So I believe since a fresh breakout with volumes and the oscillators are in the buy zone, one can look to buy this stock, keeping a stop loss at 100 on the lower side, and can expect upside target of close to 120.
Okay, so Manav's pretty optimistic on AB Capital. It's today gaining by around 2.3%.